Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening the online notepad and creating a new note now. Click New Note, give it a concise title, and choose a template if available. This speeds workflow. Sign in for syncing or continue as guest when speed matters, but make sure autosave is enabled so you don't lose work. Once done, assign a folder or tag to locate the note later and set basic preferences like font size and theme to make the editor comfortable. You now focus on building content. Type, then structure with headings, bold text, bullet lists, and code blocks where necessary so scanning is faster. Insert images or links when visual context helps, and add checklists or dates for tasks. Use consistent tags and move the note into the correct folder to keep everything organized. This makes retrieval immediate. Once done, run a quick search by keyword to confirm indexing works, and adjust formatting or attachments so the note reads clearly on mobile and desktop. You finish by sharing or exporting. Set a share link or invite collaborators and choose view versus edit permissions so changes are controlled. Export the note to TXT, MD, or PDF for distribution, and then quickly verify that formatting and attachments survive the export. If sync or sharing fails, first check your internet connection, then clear the browser cache and re-authenticate the app. If that doesn't work, duplicate the note and copy content into a fresh note to force a new sync.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.